We've been telling you that metro area hospitals are buckling under the weight of COVID patients, but now one hospital system is calling in portable morgue trucks and others are at or near capacity.
Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez reports from North Portland with what local hospitals are doing to try to keep up.
Both in Portland and Vancouver, hospitals are reporting being overwhelmed. To keep serving patients, they're having to delay procedures and in some cases stand up temporary intensive care units. With record numbers of COVID-19 patients continuing to fill up Portland area hospitals, doctors, nurses, and hospital administrators are scrambling to keep up.
At Southwest, we have 75 COVID patients, 20 of whom are in the ICU. At St. John, we have 62 patients with COVID, 17 of whom are in the ICU. In both campuses, we've had to stand up auxiliary ICUs to make space for patients.
Providence, Portland, and St. Vincent have had to bring in temporary morgue trucks and will be receiving additional National Guard troops to help with hospital operations.
The increased volume in our COVID population, and with those patients being as sick as they are, we are seeing, unfortunately, some of these patients just aren't surviving the treatment and the disease. The morgues that we have on campus each hold less than 10 patients, and so there's just not the space available that we need.
In Clark County, meanwhile, COVID-19 case rates and hospitalizations are higher than they've been at any time during the pandemic.
These case increases are occurring in all age groups, with the highest rate among young adults 20 to 39 years of age.
Only 59% of people in Clark County who are eligible have been vaccinated, and the overwhelming majority of hospitalization and deaths are among the unvaccinated.
This is largely a pandemic of the unvaccinated, particularly for those who are seriously ill.
Along with the dire news from Portland area hospitals, there is some potentially promising news out of recent modeling done by OHSU. That modeling suggesting that hospitalizations could be on the verge of leveling off. Reporting in North Portland, Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.